Good afternoon everyone. I am here in Somerset, Bermuda Island. What a beautiful view over here. You see the ocean is blue na blue siya. Yung dagat. Mainit ang panahon ngayon dito. It's sunny. Today is sunny. So I want to show you the beautiful beach here in Bermuda Island. Marami naliligo dyan sa kabila. Lots of people swimming over there on the other side. This is Somerset. Somerset, Bermuda Island. Ang ganda ng linaw-linaw ng dagat. May HSBC rin dyan, oh. Yung bus na yan papuntang town yan, Hamilton. Yan. Hope you enjoy watching, guys. Dumaan lang ako dito dahil pupunta ako sa may palengke. Pupunta ako ng marketplace, kaya yan lang. Pakita ko yung dagat dito. Ayan. Hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.